Ministries of Baton Rouge is a wonderful organization that's just been around town for about 8 or 9 years. Its mission is to prevent homelessness and to promote self-sufficiency and dignity. And with it, we have many family mentoring programs, folks who need a hand up and are willing to be able to do the things necessary in order to get out of the rut of poverty and to do better for themselves and their families. In addition to our family mentoring program, we also have several training programs with respect to understanding the dynamics of poverty, getting ahead in a just getting by world. We most probably have about 150 trainings throughout the year to accommodate that. Separate and apart, we have the only client choice food pantry in the state of Louisiana. And over a period of a year, we serve 15,000 folks food on a monthly basis at our client choice food pantry.